Welcome to another cool innovation that's going to change the way you sip your drinks this summer. Introducing the Cool It Ice Straw Maker, the eco-friendly, reusable mold that lets you drink through actual ice. This amazing little tool is a reusable metal mold made with aluminum, stainless steel, and flexible silicone. Its striking blue color, medium size, and sleek design make it perfect for summer parties, mocktails, or just staying cool at home. Using it is super simple. 1. Fill the mold with water, juice, or your favorite flavored liquid. 2. Place it in the freezer for a few hours. 3. Pop out your perfectly frozen straw. Yes, a straw made entirely of ice. It's eco-friendly, reusable, and totally plastic-free. No more single-use plastics. Just a chilled, classy way to enjoy your favorite drinks. Perfect for summer BBQs, parties, or impressing guests with your icy innovation. And don't worry, it's designed to be sturdy enough for regular use and easy to clean too. User reaction. Customers love it. One happy user said, "It's fun, sustainable, and everyone asks where I got it." And we totally agree. It's not just a straw, it's a conversation starter. So whether you're a party host, a drink enthusiast, or just love cool gadgets, the Cool It Ice Straw Maker is a must-have this season. Stay cool, stay eco-friendly, and sip in style. Get yours today before the heat melts your chance.